Ka NSS sel neho kalarake yakas nisdang jong ka NSS basan paulay haka arpu sautari unailur arjar arpoar haka multi-use convention hall neho. Asdang yakan ka program da kajingkren priang buram nai Dr. MM Kemdej NSS program coordinator NSS sel neho. Ibalaya thu lengkot ru yakarukom trikam jong ka NSS bat baro kijingno senyang ke jong ka syaka imlang kasalang hakini ki arsnem balaling. Kibayadon bentalang hakane kasni kentup ruyai Dr. W.R. Karluki unang mikmat kejela syaka ying dorbat Raja Sabha. Profesor P.S. Shukla kumu Vice Chancellor bat Chairman jongka NSS University Advisory Committee neho. Ba F. Rumnong State NSS Officer kasorka jela bat ki program officer ka NSS bat kajingwan sakiru kisamla pule nakilai pusau teli ki college haka jela bat kiwe. Hapakren hakane kasni ba F. Rumnong State NSS Officer ula pensyairu alor kajingno senyang jongka NSS yakari bat ya kejela. Ula batairu ya kejingdon kam jongka NSS haki jaka pule nadu ki kelas 12 hadu ki college bat university. Ula ya turu baka NSS kalayarap haka bantai ya kejela bat ya karihi barok kawai leng ba kejingdon benta ki samla pule haki benta baper bakan tupru na kejing ya benta ki samla pule haki rensan baper hakari. Kentupru ya ka Republic Parade NSS Youth Festival ka National Youth Parliament ka National Integration Camp ka Ek Bharat Sherta Bharat bat ki program ban penyasno iki samla kejela bat kiwe ke samla jongkari bat ka pertai ban tip kum ka youth exchange programs. Ulaya thuru ya ki program ki banlong ha kejela ka Pri RD Parade Camp bat ka North East Youth Festival. Ula ong rubadon kam ban penkiw ya ki program NSS State Festival bat ki State NSS Award. Ula peniru badon kam ban penceluri ki samla da ka babu benta ha ka ban yok kam lengba ka jingdon benta ka NSS. Ula penkut ru ya ki jingkren da ka boong baka NSS kelawan ra ya ki jingkela ka babaha ya ki samla pule. Kumban pencelur ya kesamla bat kinong hikai la samru ya ki Kusnam University Level Awards 2022 da ukong san bat kiwe. Ya ke Best NSS Program Officers layo ada inong hikai ya suklang karum noit na St. Mary's College Shillong bat inong hikai yumika Wis Imli na Ribhoy College nong po. Ya ke Best NSS Volunteers layo ada isamla na Bisharoy Karbuli NSS Unit Neho Shillong samla Kerdalin Kongwir NSS Unit Ledikin College Shillong usamla Armstrong Lengdo NSS Unit Ribhoy College Nongpo usamla Suklang Pol Kurba NSS Unit Neho Shillong bat usamla Pendemlang Lenting NSS Unit Shillong College. Haba ajing keren daw kong san hakani kasni u Dr. W.R. Karluki unong mikmat kejela syaka ying dorbar Raja Sabha ulapan kan mau kurpang hakipor hakis na misyajar kendai sepak nyawusan ula ong bagi samla pule haka college kilong ki basyong sheet ban pendep yaki program jongka NSS. Ulapan iru yaki jingdon kam ban long ginong sengkam om ban long tang ginong wat kam. Ula kerparu yaki arpa wajar ngut ki NSS volunteers ban penpriang yakani ka kubor ban hikai baro halor karukom penkrek yalade kumno ban tur syeprang haka jing im. O Profesor P.S. Shukla kumu Vice Chancellor bat Chairman juga NSS University Advisory Committee neho ulapan paru ya kejing sukmen ban yoi ya kisamla kathan cetai lamingi baki lala ban pendek pensa ya kariti ka dustur kejongki. Ula ongru baki samla ki degi paya baskem jongka imlang kasalang. Lada kisamla kin long ki bakwan mentoy shimet ka imlang kasalang kan long ka pat ka papra. Ula ai hubleiru ya baro ki bayok kusnam hakane kasngi badai leng baga jing trei klan perkhat ya kane ka papenyo yakini ki kusnam. Lapen kut yakani ka program hakani kasngi da kajing pen i yakisap ki phong jong kisamla na baro ki college ki bawan menyashimenta hakani kasngi.
In the outreach programs and he is doing his effort. As well as word in the form of these young people like all of you. National Service Scheme. And includes the spirit of volunteers, work among students and teachers through sustained community interactions. And action to achieve results which are desirable for community development. Over the years, NSS has emerged as a dynamic NSS coordinator of the university, Dr. Marwa Khindati, who I know and have witnessed is working tirelessly. We all know that NSS was officially launched during the Mahatma Gandhi's 4th September by the Union Education Minister Dr. B.K.R.V. Rao. That's why today we are celebrating the Foundation Day of. And I am sure the Nehu means all of you in the form of small units of the NSS is working towards achieve results which are desirable for community development. Over the years, NSS has emerged We all know that NSS was officially launched during the Mahatma Gandhi's